Good morning, students. Digestion and absorption. Our next topic, teeth. So, teeth is the origin. Teeth is origin from the ectomesodermal in origin. Teeth are origin from the ectomesodermal in origin. The human beings, the teeth are origin from the ectomesodermal in origin. So, some parts are origin from the ectoderm, some parts are origin from the mesoderm. So, that origin is called the ectomesodermal in origin. Next one, the teeth are the thecodont. So, the teeth are the human being teeth are the thecodont. So, the thecodont means embedded, these are embedded in the socket of the jawbone. They are embedded in the socket of the jawbone. So, thecodont means the teeth are fixed in the socket of the jawbone. So, these are called the thecodont. Next one, dipiodont. So, the dipiodont, the human teeth are the dipiodont. So, the di means two. So, the dipiodont means the teeth are arising from the twice in a life. The teeth are coming from arising in the life, the twice. One is the milk teeth and adult teeth. So, once coming from the child stage of milk teeth. So, the milk teeth is fall after coming from the permanent teeth or adult teeth. In the life only two times. So, these are the dipiodont. So, another one is the monopiodont. So, monopiodont means only life in a only one time in the teeth. Another one is the polypiodont. The polypiodont means, so they are the coming from the many times, or teeth are the fall down, so coming from the another teeth. So, they are the polypiodont. Monopiodont, dipiodont, polypiodont. The human teeth are the dipiodont. Dipiodont means in a life, twice in a life. One is the milk teeth, another one is the adult teeth or permanent teeth. So, next one, so the heterodont. So, next one is the heterodont. So, heterodont means, so they are the different shapes, different shapes. Different shapes. The human beings, the teeth are the four shapes, are the four types. One is the incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Or heterodont. Another type of the teeth are the homodont. Homodont means all teeth are the similar structure, similar shape. So, they are called the homodont. The human teeth are the heterodont. Heterodont means different shapes, different shapes. So, there are the how many types of the teeth in the human beings? Four types. First one incisors, second one canines, third one premolars, fourth one molars. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Next one, the incisors function. Incisors functioning is the cutting. The food materials are the helps from the cutting. The second one, canines functioning is the tearing. The second functioning is the second one canines. Canines functioning is the tearing. So, third one is the premolars and molars. Third one premolars, fourth one molars. This functioning is the chewing and grinding the food materials. Chewing and grinding the food materials. Once revise that human being teeth are the origin from ectomesodermal in origin. Next one, the teeth are the thecodont. So, the thecodont means the teeth are fixed in the socket of the jawbone. Second one, so dipiodont. The human being teeth are the dipiodonts. The twice in a life is called the dipiodont dentination. One is the milk teeth, another one is the adult teeth or permanent teeth. Third one is the heterodont. So, heterodont means they are the different shape of the different structure of the tooth, different shapes of the tooth. So, they are the four types: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors functioning is the cutting. Incisors functioning is the cutting. The canines functioning is the tearing. Canines functioning is the tearing. The premolars and molars functioning is the chewing and grinding the food materials. Next one, the dental formula. So dental formula. Dental formula. Milk dental formula. Milk dental formula. So the milk dental formula 2102 by 2102. 2102 by 2102 into 2 is equal 10 by 10 is equal total teeth are the 20. So milk dental formula 2102 by 2102. So the adult dental formula. Adult dental formula. So the adult dental formula is the 2123 by 2123 into 2 is equal 16 by 16, total 32 in number. So first one, so these are the incisors, these are the canines, these are the premolars, these are the molars. The same, these are the incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Total the milk teeth are the 20 in number, adult teeth are the 32 in number. So these are the milk dental formula, these are the adult dental formula. So they are the third molar teeth. Third molar teeth. Third molar teeth is appeared from the after 21 years. It appeared from the after 21 years. Though, so the teeth is called the wisdom teeth. The teeth is called the wisdom teeth. So the third molar teeth is appeared from the very late after 21 years. So the teeth is called the wisdom teeth. So these are the teeth introduction. Next one, internal structure of the tooth. Structure of the tooth. Structure of the tooth. So the tooth contain a 3 regions. The tooth contain a 3 regions. First one, crown. Second one, neck. Third one, root. Crown, neck, root. So these are the structure of the tooth. The tooth contain a 3 regions. First one, crown. Second one, neck. Third one, root. Crown, neck, root. So the crown is the exposed part. Crown is the exposed part. Neck is the middle part. Neck is a middle part. Root is the under the jaw. So they are fixed in the jaw. So they are the teeth contain a 3 regions: crown, neck, root. Next one, the bulk of tooth. The bulk of tooth is formed by the dentine. The bulk of tooth is formed by the dentine. The bulk of tooth is formed by the dentine. The bulk of tooth is formed by the dentine. So the dentine is origin from the odontoblast cells. So the dentine is origin from the odontoblast cells of mesodermal in origin. So the bulk of teeth is formed by the dentine. So the dentine is origin from the odontoblast cells of mesodermal in origin. Next one, second one, enamel. So they are exposed part. So these are the enamel. Enamel. So the enamel is the hardest substances. So these are the hard substance in human body. Enamel is the hard part of the human body. So these are origin from the ameloblast cells. These are origin from the ameloblast cells. Enamel is the hardest substance of the human body. So these are the origin from the ameloblast cells. So bulk of teeth is formed by the dentine. So the dentine is covered by the enamel. So enamel is origin from the ameloblast cells. The origin from the ameloblast cells. Next one, the inner side of the tooth. The tooth inner side presenting on the pulp cavity. The inner side of the tooth presenting on the pulp. Presenting on the pulp cavity. So the pulp cavity. So these are the pulp cavity. So these are all the pulp cavity. So the pulp cavity, so filled with a pulp. Filled with a pulp. The pulp cavity is filled with a pulp. The pulp presenting on the blood vessels, nerves and odontoblast cells. Odontoblast cells. Odontoblast cells. So pulp cavity. So the pulp cavity is filled with the pulp. The pulp is presenting on the blood vessels, nerves and odontoblast cells. So these are the blood vessels. So these are the nerve. So they are the odontoblast cells. The inner side of the tooth presenting on the pulp cavity. The pulp cavity is filled with a pulp. The pulp presenting on the blood vessels, nerves and odontoblast cells. Next one, the root. The root is covered by the cementum. Root is covered by the cementum. Root is covered by the cementum. Next one, the neck and root. So these are the neck and root is covered by the gingiva. The root and neck is covered by the gingiva. The root and neck is covered by the gingiva. So they are the gingiva or gums. So the tooth, neck and root is covered by the gingiva. Next one, the tooth fixed in the socket of the jaw bones. The tooth fixed in the socket of the jaw bones. These are helps from the periodontic membrane. Help from the periodontic membrane and cementum and cementum and periodontic membrane. These helps from the teeth are fixed in the socket of the jaw bones. The teeth fixed in the socket of the jaw bones, they are from the periodontic membrane and cementum. So these are the structure of the tooth. Once revised, the tooth is the ectomesodermal in origin. The bulk of tooth is formed by the dentine. So the dentine is the origin from the odontoblast cells of mesodermal in origin. Next one, the dentine is covered by the enamel. The dentine is covered by the enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. Hardest substance of human body. So the enamel is origin from the ameloblast cells. Origin from the ameloblast cells. The inner side of the tooth presenting on the pulp cavity. Presenting on the pulp cavity. The pulp cavity is filled with a pulp. The pulp cavity filled with a pulp. The pulp is presenting on the blood vessels, nerves and odontoblast cells. Next one, the root and neck is covered by the gingiva. The root and neck is covered by the gingiva. Next one, the root is fixed in the socket of the jaw bones. These are helps from the periodontic membrane. Helps from the periodontic membrane and cementum. These two helps from the teeth is fixed in the socket of the jaw bones. So these are the structure of the tooth. Next, continue to the next class, salivary glands.